Hello again. Today we're talking about number expressions and simplifying them using the order of operations. Now, if you saw my last video, you'll remember that I explained the order of operations like this. The first step is to do everything inside of parentheses, these curved brackets that you put around the numbers. So, in the last video, there were no parentheses, so we skipped the first step. Well, after that, step 2 is to do anything that is an exponent. For instance, if I have 2 to the third power, that's 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Next, you do multiplication and division from left to right. That means if you actually come across division before multiplication from left to right, you do the division first. Then you do addition and subtraction from left to right. And in the same way, if you come across subtraction before addition when going from left to right, you do that first. And we call that the order of operations. So here we have 3 times 2 plus 4 in parentheses. Well, according to the order of operations, we need to do the parentheses first. So I'll do what's inside the parentheses. So that's 2 plus 4. That's 6. So now I have 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Here I have 27 divided by 11 minus 2 in parentheses. Well, order of operations says we need to do what's in parentheses first. So that's 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. So now I rewrite the problem with what I have left, and now I have 27 divided by 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. So my answer is 3. So here I have in parentheses 3 to the second power minus 7 times 5 minus 2. So first thing I do is what's in parentheses. Well, inside of my parentheses, I now have 3 to the second power and subtraction. So what do I do first? I do the exponent inside the parentheses first. So that's 3 squared. So that's 3 times 3. That's 9. Now minus 7 in parentheses times 5 minus 2. Now I still have parentheses, so I need to do what's inside of the parentheses. Now there's subtraction in the parentheses. That's 9 minus 7, which is 2. Now I have 2 times 5 minus 2. Well, 2 times 5 is 10 minus 2. Now 10 minus 2, that is 8. And our answer is 8. Now here I have in parentheses 5 minus 3. And that parentheses is raised to the third power. Plus 7. Well, I still do whatever's in parentheses first. So inside the parentheses, I have 5 minus 3. Well, 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 raised to the third power. Now, plus 7. Well, 2 to the third power, that's 2 times 2 times 2. Plus 7. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, plus 7 is 15. So our final answer is 15. And that's how you simplify number expressions using the order of operations that include parentheses.